weekly wrap-up and exercise. And that wraps up week 1. You've already demystified AI, learned about the 5 key types you'll be using, and set up your core toolkit. Congratulations! Your weekly exercise is designed to connect this new knowledge directly to your daily work. In your notebook or in a new Google Doc, I want you to do one simple thing. List 5 tasks you do every week that take you more than 30 minutes. Maybe it's writing status reports, maybe it's scheduling meetings, maybe it's researching industry trends or drafting client emails. For each task, I want you to look back at our 5 AI types: generative, image, voice, automation, and agentic, and identify which one could help you do that task faster. For example, task, writing weekly status reports. AI type, generative AI. Task, transcribing interview notes. AI type, voice AI. Keep this list safe. It's more than just an exercise. This list is your personal roadmap. In weeks 6 and 7, when we start building AI agents, you will use this very list to create automated workflows that solve your real-world problems. You've taken the first, most important step. Next week, we'll put these tools to work, and you'll see how AI can make you 10x faster at all forms of workplace communication. I'll see you then.